get another bright and early start to this one. So last night, I didn't really do too much. I was able to make like I think it was four. I think this is my fifth cornbread. And two goldenrod teas. I made goldenrod instead of red tea. It was a mistake, but it's better than nothing. Um, I meant to make red tea. I accidentally made goldenrod tea. I was able to make those, and I was also able to start my farm. I have one potato seed, two potato seeds, four pumpkin seeds, and we got attacked by two screamers. That I got some corn seed off of, but we don't have enough supplies to make more farm plots. So we're gonna go ahead and need to get more supplies to get more farm plots. Food is still tight. Water is pretty good at the moment. We do need another water collector because right now we're surviving off of cornbread. And cornbread takes water to make. So we need something better. It would be nice if we could get make some bacon and eggs or something like that, but we don't have meat, and we've eaten all of our eggs. So that's something we're gonna need to keep an eye out for is some chickens for some meat and some bird's nest for some eggs. Today's plan is to continue to run around town. We're gonna go over here and see if we can find the trader. If we can't find the trader over there, I don't really know what else to do. Our closest trader is all the way back here, and that is not, there's no way that that is our trader. So we're gonna have to like search around on the further outskirts. This is a military base I don't want to do, so I'm gonna search around up here first, see if we find the trader. Maybe if we get lucky, do some trader jobs. Um, but that's what it's looking like we're doing. I haven't even checked all of these like produce boxes and things like that. I probably should have very early on, but we are in good shape for the challenge food wise. We're just we still got some time, or we still got a little bit more to do farming wise. We're in a good shape water wise. We just got a bit more to do food wise. And like I said, the problem is I've not been seeing any animals. I haven't been seeing any chickens or things like that. No pigs, no bears, nothing like that. So we're gonna need to get some meat to be able to cook, and then save some eggs so that we can start making some bacon and eggs and stuff like that. It might behoove us. It might be a good idea to maybe get some hunting perks, but I don't know. Tonight, after we get everything done that we're working on, and it switches to tonight, we are going to work on the Horde base overnight. I have a basic idea for a day 5 Horde base. It's gonna be just a basic tower base or something in that nature using what we already have in there. I haven't fully figured it out, but we'll get something. We'll have something. We'll have something to show for what we're gonna do. Well, that's another corn seed, which is nice. Corn would be really nice to have. Oh, what's this? Do more damage to wolves. Nice. Alright, let's... What was it? This way? Yeah, I feel like the trader should be out this way. There should be a trader for every town. And it should be on the outskirts of town is what it should be. We're also coming around the outskirts of town might increase chances of running into a chicken and being able to kill said chicken for some meat. We're also on the lookout for just books. And that's why I want a trader, because traders really do help out with upgrading and getting books with their rewards and things like that. Plus, we could see what they have to sell. I didn't bring anything from my sell box, just because if we don't find a trader, it would have been just a waste of space. And it's looking like is there just no trader in this town? I don't like being that close to this building. That's a country club. This is like a high tier POI. I don't like being that close to that place. I think that's like a country club or something. Yeah. Shoot. There seems to be no trader nearby. I'll take a look out around here, I guess. Maybe just follow this road a bit. Maybe there's just... Maybe I missed something. This is another military POI. Well, I'm just gonna say that that sucks. That there's no trader, which is weird. There should be a trader connected to every town. And this is a town, but there's no, like, that is the closest trader, and that is so far away. That's over a kilometer away? No, that doesn't seem right. Unless there's something down over here that I just haven't looked at or paid attention to, or something up here that I doubt it. Alright, I want to do man, dog, snake, pig. Because this place will get us some meat. It'll at least get us some snake meat and stuff. Are we... We're reloaded now. We should also get a drop today. Drops are on. Oh, nice. Oh, we're level 5. See, our food's already bad. We're hungry again. So we need to worry. We need to get some more water so that we can make more. Or we need more. Not water. Yeah, we need more water so we can make more cornbread, but we need more plastic parts to get more water more fast, more frequently. Come on. Bike handlebars, nice. I don't think we need the workstation to make the bike. We just need the workstation to make the parts. We got a grill. Nice. Our cooking is all set up. We should be able to make like some sort of pumpkin bread with the pumpkin as well, which is nice. Oh god. Fuck. Nope. Nope. Shit. No. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm more afraid of pigs than I am of zombie dogs. I didn't realize the pigs were in the house. That's sand. That's sand. Oh, is this cattle feed? Is this corn seed? This is corn seed. Toilet pistol. Let's bring that down. I don't think I have any ammo for it, but at least we've got it. See, I thought the pigs were out here. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oops, almost. Almost went right into that guy. What's this? 10% more damage to vultures. AI, 10% experience gain, loot stage increase. Max health bonus. Let's go. Oh, that's a mod for the head. Oh my god, a robo turret? I've never gotten this lucky with loot before. I don't think I've ever gotten a robo turret in this game. Quality 3, primitive armor, okay. Oh. Where's the snake part? Are there no snakes here anymore? Guess there's no snakes here anymore. Weird. Alright, having looted this place, I'm gonna run home with what we have. Don't break your leg. Good. I'm gonna run home with what we have and drop stuff off. Maybe make some bacon and eggs. I'm gonna run through the forest to see if I can find more eggs to make some bacon and eggs and stuff for us to cook and eat. Especially now that we have the grill, we can do 2 cooking stations. You guys know of any way to look up the map? Please leave a comment down below. Let me know how to do that. I know there's like a map generator, editor, or whatever built into the game. But last time I tried to use that, it broke the save. And I don't want to do that. So if you know of any other way to look up, if there's any online source or something like that for me that I can look up and look up my seed, I would please leave a comment down below. Let me know, so this way maybe I can look up and see where the closest trader is, if it's that wrecked that I stopped going to, or if it's some other trader. Because it's going to be a little bit of a rough series if I can't upgrade my, if I can't get to a trader. I mean, I could just keep looking for, I need to keep looking for the vehicle books. That's really what I need at this point, are vehicle books. Well, vehicle books and workstation books. I can't even craft a forge yet. Which is making things a lot harder. Thirsty. It's gonna fill us up a bit. We're making some more water at the moment, and we got plenty of food. Our food is gonna be filled up, which is nice. We didn't set up the grill on there right now, but I'm just gonna eat up all this food, and I'm just gonna let my food fill up. We just need more water, and we need a trader. More bacon and eggs. Get as many eggs as we can get. So there is this POI right behind us. Let's just run it real quick while we can. The Road Gentleman. We do need to keep an eye out for ways to get nitrate powder, so we're taking apart bodies and stuff like that, because we are out of nitrate powder to make everything we need. Oh, this is a tier 3. I don't know if I should do a tier 3. Why not? Why not do a tier 3? I think we did this in one of the last series I ran. Yeah, this gets hectic. And we're not going to do this one. We'll come back to it after we have more gear. Better gear. At least a baseball bat. Or maybe a tier 5, level 5 club. Let's just start going POI by POI in the main town. Just one by one in the main town, just taking them apart. Piece by piece. Well, not apart, but, you know. Actually, the motel might be a good place to do, but I've been wanting to come check out this farm. Our competitor. And also, by coming through here, get some corn. I wish there was, like, a sickle or something in this game. Something that you could use to get a lot of supplies at one time. Or a lot of, like... A lot of grass and stuff all at once. Hi, lady. Lockpicks, nice. That's right, I should be taking apart things for plastic. Make another plastic, or make another dew collector. I think this, yeah. I think this was the farm that Glock 9 used on his Farmer Glock series. Do I need... I don't. Mechanical parts, handlebars, bicycle chassis, wheels. This is the wheels. We don't have the wheels. And we can't make them. We've got one thing. It would be nice if we had a wrench. But I think, yeah, this was the barn that Glock used on his Farmer Glock series. Medical book. Remove 20% more arrows safely. I mean, this fertilizer, the purple fertilizer is nitro powder. That's right. I should be grabbing the purple fertilizer. Great. Great. This is a good run. I'm gonna drop everything off at home and then go to the next location because, of course, I've got way too much on me. What are these? Lumberjack gloves, axe melee damage, light armor rating. Motel would maybe... that's gonna be longer than the time we have left for the day. Jerry's fill, though, I could get this done pretty quickly. If we get 2 wheels from these boxes, that would be fantastic. No, another bike chassis. We can craft wheels, but we don't have... I don't know if we... what kind of station we would need to craft the wheels. Oh, we don't need a crafting station. We might be able... No, because of the acid. We only have 1 bottle of acid. God, I completely walked right by you, not even checking my corners. Come on. How are you not dead yet? Area special zombie, so that's how. Acid? Nope. Two-handy workbook, so... Make a claw hammer. Just gonna scrap that and cripple a mod. And then there's a thing in here. Vitamins. Vitamins. I wonder if we can, if we do have the acid needed to make... Do we have 2 acid or 1 acid? I don't know. Gotta love when the game glitches out. Well, it wasn't really a glitch, but he was fully stood up, and then, pop, he was down. Alright, let's run everything we've got home and do 1 more POI if we can. To be honest, it feels really nice to not have to worry about food and water anymore. We should be able to craft, one more water dew collector, but I'm gonna see if we have enough acid first. If we can make 2 wheels, we'll just make the 2 wheels and we'll deal with the water a little bit longer. Materials, 1 acid. Yeah, we need 2 acid because we need 2 wheels. So we're medical places. There was a doctor's office. I don't know if we have enough time to do a doctor's office. That would be our best bet, would be the doctor's office. What armor is weak? Our armor. I don't know if we have time for a doctor's office at the moment. But we can at least maybe get some acid from here. Do you have any acid, ma'am? Midway Clinic. We did this in Vanilla 1.0. This is a 2-3 skull. And at 18, I mean, we could get, let's give it a shot. We should be able to clear it in time. We could finally make the forge. So we got a rockets book and a cookbook. And we can make pipe bombs. Sweet. Hello? What's this batter up book? Power attacks to the, like, slow enemies. We can do a level 5, club. Find cornmeal and my medical supplies. There we go. We can make the tires. We will have a bike tomorrow. That's fantastic. That is, oh god. You. I didn't even hear you coming. That's amazing. That is amazing. We are day 3 with a bike and not by doing trader jobs. I never thought a series would be going this sort of well. See, and this is where you start to get the false sense of security when you're like, oh yeah, a series never has gone this well for me before. And then I'm just gonna start playing lazily. And not worrying about things. And that's when things are gonna go bad. Oh my god, 2 cookbooks. I'm gonna keep that cooking grill, because now that we'll have 2. Because I'm gonna set up another cooking station. Two more cookbooks. Steak and potatoes. Let's go. Oh, man. Enforcer. I thought you died. Is that a cop in there? Oh boy. I literally dodged when he spat at me. Like, I physically dodged. In my seat. Oh, antibiotics. Nice. Medical book. Oh, it is so late. We'll come back in the morning for that chest. We're gonna have to sneak our way home. Luckily, we're not too far. Still, we're pretty far. Alright, guys. Well, that's going to be it for the night. I'm going to make my way home as quietly and sneakily as possible. Set up my ability, start making my bike, and see what else I might be able to craft. Like if I can do another dew collector. Um, as well as, oh Jesus Christ. Nope, you are feral because it's night. Oh my god. Let's keep going. Let's just keep going. We're almost there. I don't see any. Oh my goodness. Why do I have so much stuff on me? But yeah, I'm gonna make my way back home, sort my inventory, make my bicycle that we'll have for tomorrow. And maybe make a few more farm plots if we can. Um, and see what else we can get prepared for. Maybe if we can make another dew collector, but I don't think we'll have the plastic for the dew collector if we're going to be able to make the bicycle. So with that, I appreciate you all so much for hanging out and being here. If you like what you saw, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that people like you will like me too. Subscribe to the channel so you get updates, notifications when I go live and post new videos. And leave comments down below. Hints, tips, tricks, all that good stuff. I respond to all comments back. If you want to be awesome, and check me out on twitch.tv/b_walnuts and here on YouTube Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, where I live stream video games and whatever I feel like streaming. Please do so, and be sure to check out all the other series that I have going on and Let's Plays that I'm doing. Thank you guys so much. Please be careful, be safe, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Always hug your loved ones, and of course, like always, be sure to wear mismatched socks. This is all. Next time.